Jopuonj mag KUPPET Bomet koro nyiso ichwang' margi ewi duoko mar duol mandiko jopuonje tich e pacho ka TSC mar dayo dho jopuonj ka gilero ni TSC onge ler ewi chenro mag pogo lemo mag jopuonje kaunti no, kendo gimor kaka TSC nene opogo lemo mag jalup director mochung'ne weche mag somo. Koteneko jagoro mar KUPPET Bomet Paul Kimeto, jopuonj go wacho ni ok gimor gi lai mane oti godo e yiero jogo, ka gilero ni e kinde jopuonj 50 mane ochopo mondo odar dhoggi, 2 kende ema noyier.
We are receiving 2, but one county, just one county, got 20 teachers promoted to different levels. We do not know the criterion the Teacher Service Commission used. So that is why today, with my team and the members of KUPPET Bomet branch, we've come here to demand for the criterion and to demand that we are told how many slots were given to every county.
We are demanding as Bomet, we want our own local personnel whom we have in our schools to be given those positions. And if the government is going to continue with that criteria or giving us people from outside to come and man our schools, we are going to stage a serious demonstration to do away with those individuals.
We have the interviews that are actually around the corner, and we are asking Teacher Service Commission, if it is possible, at least you have provided the score sheet, and that is actually transparency and accountability.